just pulled my peanut butter tandy cakes out of the oven. Thank you, Ashley and Tracy, for sharing with me. I have had Tracy's tandy cakes before. But I've never had them fresh milled. And that's what this is. And I'm so excited to be able to bring something delicious like these on vacation. So if you're asking what the heck are peanut butter tandy cakes, you're not from the Philadelphia area. This is a Pennsylvania thing. When I went to chiropractic school, this was one of the things that they would bring back down to Atlanta. These homemade ones, oh my goodness. I had a homemade tandy cake from my friend Sally and it was so good. I have never made these in my life. It looks stunning. It's like a lake of peanut butter. Whew, a lake of hot peanut butter. I don't want to turn you off, but it kind of looks like diarrhea. Salted peanut butter. Looks like diarrhea. That's damn good diarrhea. Oh boy, I need to go to bed. Good morning. I have my peanut butter tandy cakes fresh out of the refrigerator. I'm gonna cut these. Dislodge from the edges. I do have parchment down so that these don't stick. Wow, these are gonna be so good. Try this side. This was the side I was having trouble getting enough chocolate on. So the peanut butter and the chocolate are swirled more here than anywhere else. Oh my goodness, these look so good. And they weren't as hard as I thought they would be. I definitely procrastinated making these because I thought they might be hard. And I have a very hard time melting chocolate, but the tips to add a little oil definitely helped. I'll have to do smaller ones here. Oh, they're gonna be so delicious. Nom nom nom. These are all for me. I might gain a lot of weight on vacation thanks to these. Goodness gracious. Getting things out of and into this baking pan. I don't want to eat that. Okay. Parchment underneath can be pulled off. I'm gonna need a container to store these in. Pretty thin. It's so good.